Are you ready to speed up your body's natural healing process? Enhance your rejuvenation and healing potential with Rein PRP kits, produced to international standards and certified with the CE mark. Here's how to use Rein PRP. Remove the Rein PRP kit from the sterile blister pack and prepare it. Attach the blood collection needle to the holder using the threads. Ensure that the threads are securely in place. Then you can safely perform your routine blood collection procedure. Gently shake the tubes to prevent blood clotting and allow the anticoagulant inside the tubes to spread throughout the tube. Place the tubes in the centrifuge. You have two options: 8-minute centrifuge for leukocyte rich plasma and 4-minute centrifuge for leukocyte poor plasma. After centrifugation, carefully remove the tubes without shaking them. You can visually observe the separation of layers within the tube. Attach the needle tip obtained from Rein PRP into the tube, turning it so that the tip faces the opening. Attach the spinal needle obtained from the Rein PRP kit to a luer lock syringe and collect PRP using the tornado method from the buffy coat layer. Your PRP is now ready to be used. Enjoy the rejuvenation of your health.
www.kaizenindustry.com